pond. Oh, fish on, fish on. Oh, fish on again. Bigger one, bigger one. Big fish, big fish. Freaking hog. Oh my gosh.
Roundabout. I can't, he's cute.
Big boy, you hear that thud? Alrighty fam, welcome back to JK Outdoors. Another video here. We are out of town and on the prowl to go catch a fish. It is the middle of August. Gonna go to a city pond and see if I can catch a fish, a little trout ski on the old lure. So stay tuned, and I've caught one pretty nice sized rainbow out of this pond, so hoping to maybe hook another one. I don't have any worms, so, and it's been super windy, so there's a lot of variables off for prime time fishing, but hitting it right now in the evening and hoping to see if we can hook into one. So stay tuned and wish me good luck. Here's a little quick plug for JKO merch. Don't have it on right now, shamefully, but there's a link in my bio description below where you can buy a shirt, stickers, sweatshirt. Thinking I'm going to come out with a few more designs before kind of official hunting season hits off, so stay tuned for that. You know, follow the Instagram JK Outdoors, and then hopefully you're subscribed to the channel. So let's get back to the video. All right, minor pit stop. Picked up some night crawlers because it's getting late, and sometimes I just don't think like they see the lures when it gets, you know, even later like this. It's a little cloudy, so the sun's hiding, and you know, you're not just getting that reflection like you would if it was, you know, towards the day. So get a little smell, get a little worm on there, and hopefully snag a few. We're almost there. We're pulling it right now. Alrighty, just got here. I'm gonna put them. They're jumping out there, so hopefully catch one. I put on I'll show you, put on a black and white, or black and yellow Panther Martin. Let's see if we can catch one. Let it sit for a second. Reel her in. See a bunch of little minnows in the water. That's a good sign. I think there's one chasing it in. Surprisingly super calm. It was super windy where we were at nearby. So we're at Freedom Park Pond. Oh, fish on, fish on. Let's see if I can get my thing. Oh, did you see that? It was a little stalker. Gotta keep better action on that bad boy. Or tight pressure. Hit it good. Oh, fish on again. Bigger one, bigger one. Not really. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Nice little stalker. Come here, you little rascal. Come here, GoPro. What are you looking at right there? Nice little stalker trout. Okay, first cast after that fish. Let's see. Because that was two casts in a row. Third cast, not this time. Wonder if it was the same fish that attacked it both times. Let it sit for a few seconds. That fish, I just hooked a fish and it was literally that big, 2 inches. See if we can pick up anything cruising the shoreline. Let it sit for 10 or a little longer than I normally would. See if something's closer to the bottom, otherwise we move spots. All right, let's keep the black and gold on. We'll just try a different spot. There's fish jumping out of the water. Maybe just a quicker retrieval. Not let it sit. See if they're just cruising around on top. They're eating out there on top for sure. I'm gonna put slightly out of worms for here soon. I'm gonna cast the bigger Thomas Boy on a few times, or maybe a gold casty nasty for my boy H. Bolds, aka Forky Assassin. Gold Cast Master is his charm. He gave me a bunch for Christmas, I think. I think it was for Christmas. So, let's put on one of these bad boys. Test it out. Castmaster took its time. Not sure how many lures we should try before we go to worms, but Jake's is always kind of a trusty too. The Jakes, I should shout out to D. Keck, Dalton Keck. You'll see him on the Utah hunt video, but I remember we were in Yellowstone when we were in middle school, high school maybe, but he caught like a lake trout or maybe a big cutthroat at Jackson Lake Yellowstone Lake. Sorry, look at all those birds. I don't know if the GoPro will pick those up, but they're right here. It's like a big flock of birds. It's like a tornado of birds up there. It's crazy. Anyways, let's see what Jake's can do. Okay, you know how I said I felt like lures didn't work? Well, it's hitting that time. Like the sun's still up, but it's dark in the water. So we're gonna pull out some hooks. Put the hook on there. little split shot on there. Make sure it stayed down. 3 or 4 feet up. Do a little. Weather's been warm, so I think they're probably circulating a little lower. Put the worm on. Get some juices on. I've had this since like high school. Procure super sauce. Procure trout, super effective. So we'll try that. I don't always put it on there, but I also don't always worm fish. So, last time we were here, we wormed fish. Caught a big one, so I'm hoping we do a little repeat action here for you. Okay, it's juicy. I'm gonna toss her out there. Let it sit. Instant hookup. Instant. Jeez, might need to go. Might need to reel it in a minute. Freaking turkeys. See my bobber right out there. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. There might be just little ones. Might need to switch the hook. Might need to put a little smaller worm on there. They're definitely pulling it away. Let's put a little smaller bit of worm on there. Jeez. They didn't take my worm. Cutting the worm in half. I'm gonna thread it along the hook. See. There you go. Let's see if I can point at it. Right in that area. Oh. Hit. Something's playing with it. I'm just gonna switch the battery. Proof. Do I switch? Oh. Something small's playing with it. Where's the big daddies at? Come on, pull it down. It's getting pretty late, but sunset's beautiful, and yeah, I've gotten a few like little nibblies here and there, but nothing too crazy. They're jumping like crazy. I'm a little surprised they're not. Oh, speak of the devil. Speak of the devil. Come on. Take it under. Come on. Come on. Just see that one right next to it. Dang it. Oh! Free willied it. Should I check my worm? Yeah, probably. It's like on there. They might have slurped it right off. Ooh. They almost slurped it right off, folks. Wrap it back on there. Test their. The wind's good, I think, because the water's not too stirred up, but it'll float the worm through, and Alright folks, it's getting late. Toss the bobber out there, and then just gonna try to fish it slowly back to the truck. But one fish on the board, bunch of nibbles. Almost got that one, like second cast in. I wasn't fumbling with the net, but yeah, appreciate you guys watching the video. Like and subscribe to the channel, keep you updated. You know, we're going in hunting season, so excited for that. And then yeah, more fishing coming, and hope you guys enjoyed this. If I was you coming with your kids, I'd put a smaller hook on, and then just like a smaller piece of worm, and then I think I would have probably caught a smaller one by now, but I guess I'm being a little greedy, looking for the big boy. So we'll like I said, catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Booyah.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take